Hello everyone, my name is Cody with SpryLyfe Medical, and in today's video we're going to be going over the O2 Concepts Oxlife Freedom. First off, we're going to go over everything that is included in the Oxlife Freedom. So first things first, we have our cannula. As well as the user manual. This is going to be the accessory bag. The custom carry case. This is the car charger. The wall charger has two parts. The battery. And of course, the machine. Now that we have everything out of the box, I'm going to show you how to set up your Oxlife Freedom for its first time use. First things first is we're going to have to put the battery on. It slides right into the bottom. After that will come the carrying case. Make sure you're putting this on the correct way. Got it wrong again. See? Now the Oxlife Freedom does have a couple vent openings right here for the particle filters, as well as some up here where you can attach your cannula. The cannula is attached and you are all set and good to go to use the Oxlife Freedom. Now I'm going to walk you through using your Oxlife Freedom for the first time. You can hold the power button down right here. Screen will come on. Your flow setting is shown here, as well as your battery percentage. The plus arrow and the down arrow will control your flow setting. This goes from a setting of 1 up to 5. You can hit the M button right here to pull up the home screen, as well as airplane mode. If you go over to airplane mode, you're on the airplane and it won't have any interference with the front cabin. If you press this plus button, you can navigate through there to go over to airplane mode. You can also go over to the provide info tab, as well as the call info tab and the alarm test. There is the signal for the no breath. If the cannula is not attached, that will come up. You can press that M button for that to go away, and again go over. The remote diagnostics test you can run on this as well, and then back to the exit to go to the main menu, where it will then again show you your flow setting and your battery life. To power off the machine, you just hold down the power button again, and the machine will go off. The dimensions on the Oxlife Freedom are 9.4 inches high by 3.4 inches deep and a width of 9 inches. And the Oxlife Freedom comes in at only 5.8 pounds It does have a flow setting on pulse flow from 1 up to a setting of 5. And the battery life on the small battery will last 4 hours on a setting of 2 away from that car or wall charger. If you get the extended battery option, that will last 8 hours on a setting of 2 away from that car or wall charger again. The Oxlife Freedom is a great machine for traveling with, going out and about. It's very small, portable, and lightweight. You can throw it right over your shoulder just like a tiny purse, and it will last a very long time. The DNA technology inside of this is going to do a great job keeping track of all of your data as well. So if you have any questions for your doctor or for us, you're able to call us and we'll be able to take care of it right over the phone for you. If you are interested in the Oxlife Freedom, or you want to see how it compares to other machines, make sure to subscribe below so you can see all of our new videos, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when they come out and see the latest and greatest information. And most importantly, if you are interested in purchasing the Oxlife Freedom or other oxygen concentrators, make sure you go to the SpryLyfe.com website or call the phone number below, and you can speak with a respiratory specialist right over the phone to help you out with your needs.